Welcome back, ladies and gents. So today we're going to be looking at BIKUBOT again and its randomizer module inside of the program. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to open BIKUBOT and we're going to go into the creator section, the triggers. So I'm just using a command we're going to do for this one. I have set up a couple of bits inside my portable OBS, so we'll show you what I've done there. For me, this is just going to show you an example of what you can do, but obviously the randomizer one, we'll just drag and drop in a randomizer here. So on it you can, let me just zoom in, there we go, hang on, there we go, it would help if I pressed the right button. There we go. Right. My zoom feature's playing up a bit. Anyway, so these are all what you can have as randomizers. So we've been through a lot of them before. So I'm just going to show you. So it could be a text. So we'll show you. You'll see. So it could be a text. You can OBS stuff. Another randomizer inside a randomizer, but I haven't tried that yet. But you can put sound in. So TTS, whatever you want. But we're going to show you this one that I've partly set up already. So this one, it is for my camera location on my portable OBS. Basically, at the moment I've got 4 locations which the randomizer can choose from, and all my chat can do is type in !camera, and it will move the camera around. So I'll just give an example. So at the moment, we will actually bring up the filters as well, so you can see that working. So as you can, let me just zoom out, so you will be able to see the eye will change. Granted, with there only being 4 selections, you may hit the same one again. So !camera, there we go. I'll just do it once again. Well, there we go. So I've just played around with and experimented with some of the easing functions, the curve and stuff like that. So we'll show you how we've added them in. So we'll add another one in. We'll do a move source. We're going to press, we're going to call this one, what we're going to call this? We're going to call this zoom. So this will be a random one. So you would select your capture device, your webcam, whatever you've got it. As in this example, obviously you're going to need the move transition plugin as well, which I didn't mention, but only for this example. This is literally just showing you about the whole use case of the randomizer and an example overall. So we're going to get a transform, but we need to, if we're going to zoom it, we need to, let me just move that over here. So that's probably about enough. Let's just move it there. Okay, so we've got that, so it fills the screen, and we're going to get the transform. We've got it set at 1000 milliseconds. We maybe could do it a bit quicker actually. Say 500. Oh no, I've done that 5000. I don't think we need to change the curve, but the curve you can do. It's up to you. Again, just there's loads of stuff you can do with the move, and it just keeps getting better, courtesy of Exceldro. Absolute legend. So we've got that one, but what we need to do now is we need to add that into our randomizer. So we've got that open there. If you want to add another one in, you just literally press the press the plus button. We can go to OBS in this instance. We're going to go source, no, filter visibility. You select the right scene if it is, but we need, it's on the scene, so we select that. I'm going to select zoom, and that's added it in. It's as simple as that. If we want to put, we'll put in a text source as well. Go on, why not? We'll add a text to show this is a test, and then we'll add in a TTS as well, because we all love a bit of TTS. So we'll just wang that up. Custom message, and we're going to put so like the video, and right, and then the only thing you got to remember to do, which I always forget, is save. and then we're going to just minimize that for now. I'm just going to put this bottom left, there we go, bottom left, it goes in, and then we're going to just test it. So we're going to do exclamation mark camera. What are we going to get?
Like the video.
What are we getting? Oh, I've turned my headset off. I couldn't hear it. Oh. Not good. Anyway, yeah, that did the TTS, I'm guessing, even though I didn't hear it. So we'll just do one more. There we go. Join Steam away as well, by the way. That's coming up because I'm typing in a few times. Exclamation mark camera. This is a test. I'll do one more. Zoom. The only problem with the zoom one is it's going to stay on the screen like that, so I wouldn't necessarily do that unless you had one that it made it go back to where it came from. And there you go. Subscribe to the YouTube as well. Nightbot's kicking in as well, so yeah, it's a good way of using the randomizer feature on your stream, on your Twitch stream. So obviously you can test it out inside BIKUBOT by pressing the play function as well. You probably must have selected the right one. There you go, this is a test. Back to top left. This is a test again. So it's completely random. Oh, there we go, we had a nice curve feature in the back bottom right. So yeah, it's experiment with it, play around with it, do what you want with it. But it's another good feature inside BIKUBOT that you can use and just give your chat some randomised fun. So thank you again for watching. We will catch you in the next video, and make sure you do go and check this video out of all the other BIKUBOT videos we've got in the channel. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.